This is how to reset the oil percentage on a 2009 Honda CRV. You can do it with the key on or engine on. The ignition has to be on. Toggle through with the odometer button or menu button until you see the oil life percentage. Then hold the button down for 10 seconds and it will begin to flash. A couple more seconds. Once it flashes, turn the knob clockwise or counterclockwise until you hit oil life. Hit it shortly and then hold it again. The short hit is to select, and then the long 5 seconds is to reset the light. There you go, back to 100%. And thanks for watching.